Installing a PCIe riser assembly and a PCIe adapter. Installing a PCIe adapter. Align the adapter with the PCIe connector on the riser cage and then press the adapter straight into the connector until it is securely seated. Fasten the screw to secure the adapter. Installing a PCIe riser assembly. Align the guide pin and hook on the rear end of the PCIe riser assembly with the notches on the spacer and the compute node tray. Insert the PCIe riser assembly into the connector located in the middle of the system board. Fasten the captive screw to secure the PCIe riser assembly to the compute node tray.